Introducing the AMD Versal AI Edge Series VEK280 Evaluation Kit, enabling the evaluation and development of AI engines optimized for machine learning, or AIE-MLs, leveraging the AIE-MLs available within this heterogeneous processing system. This platform is ideal for the development of compute-intensive ML inference applications. The core of the VEK280 evaluation board is the Versal AI Edge VE2802 device. The VE2802 device is part of the Versal AI Edge series, with an architecture combining processing systems, programmable logic, AI engines for machine learning, and DSP engines. The processing systems consist of both low and full power domains, utilizing dual-ARM Cortex-R5F processors and dual-ARM Cortex-A72 processors. The Versal AI Edge series allows developers to deploy an application with optimized acceleration based on the task. The Versal AI Edge series is designed to address challenges in automotive, industrial, medical, or other vision application spaces. The evaluation board is shipped with a one-page document that includes useful and important information about the board, a 1-year Vivado Design Suite license voucher, a power supply, USB and Ethernet cables, an HDMI 2.1 cable, a microSD card, and an SFP28 loopback module. Let's go over the board's key features. The boot mode switch allows for different boot options via JTAG, Octal SPI, or microSD, with JTAG being the default switch setting for the kit. The onboard memory includes 12 GB of LPDDR4 component memory, an FMC Plus connector for high-speed I/O expansion, wired to 8 GTYP channels with 68 user-defined signals, an industry-standard x16 PCIe Edge connector supporting PCIe Gen 4 data rate connections of up to 16 gigabits per second for high-speed data transfer, HDMI 2.1 input and output interfaces, an SFP28 connector for 25 gigabit high-speed Ethernet, a high-speed debug port which provides bidirectional access to the device from an external debug module, shipped separately, to allow for high-speed debug and trace operations, interfaces such as CAN-FD and Gigabit Ethernet RJ45 connectors. The board also includes the system controller with board evaluation and management tool. This tool provides a great way to become acquainted with the Versal platform, as well as the various examples and tools available to help you create your own designs. The Versal AI Edge VEK280 evaluation board, accessories, and Vivado tools offer a total platform for rapid development out of the box. By leveraging the example designs and tutorials, you can quickly evaluate the Versal AI Edge series and start developing specific ML inference applications. Visit the AMD VEK280 product page to learn more about the board or to purchase the kit.